Hello students, and welcome to another video. I'm Mr. Fland. We're going to be discussing today decomposition reactions. Okay, this is the second of the 5 types that we're going to be discussing. Before we talked about combination reactions, and decomposition reactions are the opposite of that. A decomposition reaction is a chemical change in which a single compound breaks down into 2 or more products. So in this example, we have mercury 2 oxide, and it's decomposing into mercury and oxygen gas. Mercury is one of those rare elements that's a liquid. It's a metal liquid. So you may have heard about it. It's used in thermometers, etc. And watching this video, it actually looks similar to this. So it's like kind of a reddish color. And as you heat it up, oxygen gas is given off and it decomposes back into, if you can tell, it's kind of forming a ball back into its state of, I'd say it's state of matter as it naturally is as a metal, as a liquid. Okay. This diagram shows that it looks kind of like that magnesium oxide from the previous video on combination reactions, how it's forming these ionic bonds, and then eventually the mercury is separated. If you notice, it's not like structured, it's because it's a liquid, they're kind of floating around each other, and then oxygen's released off as a gas. In the video, it shows it as it being collected in the gas tube, and they test that it's oxygen with a burning stick. Okay. If you notice in this section here, is the numbers positive or negative? They're positive. That means there's a lot more of this going on. Bonds breaking, right? Energy is being released when it's coming together, but when bonds are breaking, they're taking energy from the surroundings and making the surroundings cooler, making it an endothermic reaction, right? So keep in mind, when there's bonds are being broken, right, there's going to be most likely an endothermic reaction. And if we look here, there is bonds being reformed, and that's oxygen. Oxygen's making some bonds forming, but it's a little smaller than it is the bonds that are breaking. So it has a greater difference, okay? So I think that's it. Work on these practice questions, and there's a key there, and then we'll go on from there. Thanks for watching.